Hello, so this is our little headbands. These are super simple, but I love them. It just holds the client's little fuzzy hairs out of the way. And for some reason, I just prefer them to a hairnet. I don't mind putting myself in a hairnet, but I feel like it actually brings more like anxiety to the client. They feel more like, oh, this is a procedure. Where the little headbands, I feel like it feels more like I'm getting a spa treatment done. So I don't know, maybe it's just in my head, but I love these things. So super simple. They come in 25 packs and they're all individually wrapped. So you just open them up. Oh, and here's my little trick with these. So first you put both your hands through like this, and then you put it on your client's head like this. So usually I'll go right like this, and then I'll tuck my hands like this, and then I'll tell my client, and if you can sit up just a little bit, and she's got like a lot of hair. Yay. Okay. And then you kind of pull their hair through just like this. So that's my little trick. And I love this brand. You can try ordering them on Amazon. They have these other brands, and you've actually seen me film with them. I've tried about 3 or 4, and they all say they're going to be this big. They all say they're going to be this big and this wide, but they aren't. They're like half the size. And they'll leave like little impressions on your client's head. But trust me, I found the best supplier for these, and these are by far the best quality. The other ones, about a third of them would break every time I tried to put them on, and trust me, you're not going to get more crazy hair than this. She has got the big, beautiful, thick hair and curls. So but yeah, this is what I love, and it just protects their hair also, and I feel like it also looks just good for before and after pictures. So ta-da, disposable headbands, 25 piece by Brow Tricks. The end.